So hello guys, I put a video about uh, got my new skin. I didn't add to Fortnite yet. I'm trying. So this is the part 2. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the new skin. So you're gonna type here, ChatGPT, the AI.com. After here, you're gonna log it in, or you can log it in this paper. So you can see I have my first hide there. Wait, I think exclusivities. Nope. I done this video how to fix Fortnite. Is this one? Yeah. So you can find like this. Let me show you. So this is mine. So not really read these options. So read it. Done. Let's go back. And this is another one. You can see. Pause it and read it. And this is another one. And this is also another. Yeah. So those. So you can see I need to go quicker. So this is how you make the skin. So that's how I do it. So if you want to make your skin, just search ChatGPT.com and he or she, the AI, will help you to make your custom skin. But you gotta careful with those scams, and there's a site called this fake site, like some sites called design free skins for free, designs for your Fortnite on skin. So or you can use custom use, but I don't use custom use. I don't want to because I don't like that. So this is the end of the video. If you're having good time, like and subscribe, and bye.